Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning. I don't know. So now today is another day and today also is so hot, but yesterday in the afternoon or evening it's cold because have rain. Yeah, I hope today have also rain because it's my god, it's so hot. Yes. So today is a Monday and a new day. Yes, guys. Oh my god, it's so hot, guys. It's so hot. Oh my god, what happened to my camera? Yes. Again. It's still so hot. You know what? My hair is falling down. I tried the remedy of I see in Facebook. I try if effective or not because my hair is falling down. Maybe when we go to the Philippines, wala na tayong buhok, guys. Oh my god, my neck. My camera is not good. Sahuli. You know what? I have tablet of my if I have allergic, guys. I clean my bag with so many pack of medicine because this is for my allergic. Sometimes my allergic attack especially if I'm always eating the chicken or any attack. Yes. Oh my god. I throw out this one because my so much hair. You know, guys, this month is quickly finished because today is 14 and then tomorrow is 15. Oh my god. And then August and birthday of my daughter, inshallah. I come in the room because madam is sleeping. So but when my coworker is here in upstairs, I was in downstairs to stay. Maybe madam calling or not or what. My god. You know, guys, this kind of lipstick is I think expired because her smell is not good. It's bad smell. I put here because I'm not using this because her smell is not good, like you know, like expired. Her smell is expired, maybe expired because my husband buy that in Saudi Arabia and many years finish. Yes, so I don't want my lips is broke, damaged. And I'm also not I'm not always using lipstick because I was in my work. I can use lipstick if I was in my husband because we go to his family, her relatives like that. My husband want I'm using lipstick, put lipstick on my lips, but my nature is I'm when I go outside, so we go without lipstick like that. But my husband want I'm beautiful in her family looks. Yeah. My gosh. Yes. That is outside, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. I can't imagine it's so hot. My God, guys. So now, guys, I need to go back. I need to bye-bye and then I go downstairs because maybe Madam is wake up now. So we make her breakfast. Yeah. So bye-bye, guys. Allah Hafiz. Be always safe and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and support. Thank you. Bye bye.